Yeah, I'll check those photos when I get out of here. Once I kill the live. How do you keep it on the hook? It's just it's just cut bait. So basically, you just hook instead of live like a full size live bait. You just slip the hook through it, like under the spine for the chunk baits, and then when you're fishing them live, you either nose hook it, so you hook it like right through the hard part of the nose, right in front of the face, and you can hook them through the tail, or you can hook it like skin hook them, basically, right behind the. Oh, did you guys see that? Oh, please tell me you guys saw that on camera. 105.34. Please tell me you guys saw that. I gotta remember that timestamp. 105.34. I'm gonna screenshot it. All right. Please tell me. Please tell me that was on camera. You guys all right? All right. Mm-hmm. Hey, at least the water's warm. That was great. I got that on video. Hell yeah, that's getting cut into a short. I forgot 50% on it. Oh, hopefully they didn't have their phones and stuff in their pocket. I've got my. That's so hilarious. You guys didn't have your phones and all that in your pockets, did you? Oh, that sucks. Right? I think it is. That was great. Thank God this water's warm. I hope so. I really hope so. Did it like? Fuck the phone! Well, fuck the phone. Was it good on camera? Because I didn't even see it on the camera. Was it like clearly visible? Anyone? Okay, I guess we could just take. Yeah, it will. Oh, hold on. They're in my line. Hold on. Here, I think you guys tangled into my line. I don't want to get a hook in you. So, do you see it right there? Okay, I just don't. I just want to make sure it doesn't like hook you. So, okay, you're good. No, you're good. You're good. I caught a big ass catfish. Yeah, there's some big ones in here. I just didn't want to have the